Through this lively program, we encourage them to share their culture to the local and foreign tourists. They are also here to share to sell their handmade products from the mountain or from the south of Palawan. Are you familiar with the Tabonman or caveman? No? Lahat po, wala? Okay, they are the possible descendants po ng mga Tabonman or caveman. Okay? Pabili na mag-take. Okay, ma'am sir, this is a cultural sharing po, not a show. That's their traditional na product po. Ang tawag ay batik. That batik ay galing po sa, it comes from a sap or a resin from the huge tree of the almasige tree. The almasige tree, ma'am, is, it grows only on the higher elevation. So, tumutubo lang po siya sa matataas na bundok or doon po sa matataas na lugar. First, ma'am sir, that is a sticky.
Magsoko!
Alright, and here po, they don't dance to entertain guests and tourists because tribal dances are rituals. It means it is sacred to them. They only dance Mangsur if they have special occasions like wedding, a good harvest, and prayer. And Mangsur, before the arrivals of the 6-string guitars here in the Philippines, the Palawan tribe po, they have their 2-string native guitars. They called it Kudjapi or Kudlungan. That's one of the first guitars here in the Philippines. And right now, Mangsur, they are for this one, the black one. This is beeswax. They use beeswax to adjust the sound. Using their mouth, muscle, and vibrations, they can create an amazing sound. And right now, they are going to demonstrate how to use this outing. Alright.